Aloha, my friends. Happy to see you here. Aloha, namaste. Let me talk to you like a friend, not a teacher, not a coach, but someone who been through it. And just as if we're sitting having some tea or matcha. Anyway, I'm happy that you're here, and I want to tell you something that took me super long time to learn. And that something is that sometimes life on the outside can look beautiful, and on the inside, we're struggling. People see smiles, they see beautiful families, they see business, they see island life, but they sometimes don't see exhaustion. They don't see stress, they don't see worry, they don't see pain, because pain is personal, right? So I know I lived this life. I was living in beautiful Kauai, raising two beautiful children, and yet there were times I was working 3, 4 jobs, didn't know how to make ends meet, had problems at home, lived in a school bus. And what I discovered actually during that hard time has changed my life. And the answer that I was reaching for all this time are always, of course, inside of me. Simple always tells you that, but the trick is to listen and to hear them. For me, those whispers were late at night in meditation, in a beautiful hot bath. When everybody became quiet, I could finally listen to myself and to hear my own heart speak. It became, I call it the whisper of the heart, to slow down, to give yourself breath, to listen, to be kinder to yourself, to trust yourself, to trust your intuition. And those whispers eventually became the foundation for my healing journey and the healing journey that I am writing this book about. This is the first chapter. And I believe that deep inside we all know that voice, that alignment. Sometimes we feel it as an intuition, we feel the body aligning, we feel the heart, the soul knows that. And sometimes we're just too busy, too distracted to listen. So this book, this is an invitation to slow down enough to hear, because the soul whispers is really what life is about. And maybe those whispers brought you here.